Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about definition of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We just use about the limit and we have h approach to number 0. So we have f of h plus h minus f of s over h. So we have the function in here. We can put in here. We have the function in here, but now we have s plus h. We put this one to replace for s. Next, we do common denominator. So for this one, in here, we need to multiply by s plus 1 on numerator and denominator. About the second one, we multiply by this one. Next, we combine two fractions together. Next, we need to expand. Similar for the second one. Now we need to open the parentheses. Now we need to simplify hs minus hs, they will eliminate. S minus s, they will eliminate. S square and s square, they will eliminate. 2s minus 2s, they will eliminate. Number 2 minus number 2, they will eliminate. Now we have h minus 2h, we have negative h. Next, h divided by h, you have number 1. So we have like this. Now, when h approaches to number 0, this one goes to number 0, and we will have about negative number 1 over s plus 1 to the power of 2. And that is the final answer of the question in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.